Hello everyone, good morning or good afternoon, or I'm recording this in the morning. So today we're going to be using this and making tags or journal cards for our mini album. So to start, I'm just going to cover the whole thing because it's a sewing themed journal. So I'm just going to cover the whole thing with this as the back, and it will yeah, so I'm just going to use a glue stick, and this is a Scotch Create. Okay, now I just need to get this side. I'm going to get these edges really good. Okay. Now all I'm going to do is tear it on the edges because this is so easily teared. Okay, and I'm just kind of putting where the corners are up and all that. So here we go. And now for the fun, just cut this up and then decorate it. And it might not cut perfectly, which is fine. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so from that we wound up with 5 tags, 3 journal cards, and I'm going to turn these 2 into clusters. Not bad. Let's decorate. Alright, so I'm going to do a little bit of a voiceover for this part. Basically, it was a lot of this came from my stash, so I can't even tell you where I got it. I haven't bought craft supplies for a while because I'm just trying to use up what's in my stash. But I love using different papers, different techniques, different pictures and stuff like that in these journals, especially these little ones. I want them to look fun, cute, you know, but I don't want them overdone. So a more simpler look is what I'm going for these. So if you wait till the end, I do have a pictures of, not pictures, I have a slower motion video of these 3 I did. I'm going to do some of these off camera or put them in as a short. I haven't really decided. Let me know which one you would prefer. If you want to see me doing them as a short, let me know. But this was a video I meant to put up last week for Saturday, and I was in so much pain I just didn't get it up. So I am sorry about that, and I hope you enjoy this. And thank you for following me along, and you guys are important and I appreciate you. I think this is my favorite one I did. I'd love to know what your favorites are. So, thanks for following me. Bye.